So here is the Lego Technic D11. It is sponsored by CAT, and it has 3,854 pieces. The part number is 42131. It's 18 plus, and you are going to have to get a smart device such as an iPad or a phone and pair it to the app of Control Plus. So let's open it or look at the back side. So on the back it shows a picture of a prototype, and then next to the real one, and then dimensions, which is 22.4 inches long and 10.2 inches tall. And this is a picture of the real one, and this is just a picture of the back side of the Lego Technic one. And as you can see, ripper, tracks, ladder, and blade all move. And let's open it now. So when we first pull it out, we have a white box, which we'll open in a bit. We have a bunch of bags now. So we got bag 4, bag 5, bag 8, bag 7, that's another bag 8, bag 6, bag 4. So let's sort this. We have, it looks like some of our Control Plus motors here. We have our manual. We have 2 manuals for part 1 and part 2. We have our sticker sheet. We have battery box. We have 2 L motors and 2 XL motors here. So that'll be for Control Plus. Move bag 3. Another bag 3. Okay. There are 2 bags of bag 1, 3 bags of bag 2, 4 bags of bag 3. We have our sticker sheet that has all the CAT emblems on it. And then we have booklet number 1, which shows the D11 Lego Technic one, and then the real life one, and then some more just action shots of the D11, and then this is some of the prototypes of the D11. This is some of the hydraulics and tracks of it. This is the Control Plus page, how to operate it, and then this is for all the bags. And there's 8 sets of bags, and first step is just bag 1, and then 2 motors and a Control Plus. And it's pretty straightforward. In the second book, it's just continued at bag 5. And you start off just building the chair and cab. And over here you're building the blade. And this is the parts list. So this is what we have for bag 1. It's mainly just frames, and there are some new pieces in there, like the long 15 ones with multiple holes on it, and the drive cups. And then in the second bag 1 we just have pins. Okay, here we have all of our bag 2s. So in the first smaller one, it's mostly pins and some gears and some odd looking pieces. Next we have this one, which has some more plates. It has a bag of pins in it. and it's mostly gears. And in the third bag, it looks like this orange piece is a gear changer, so that'll help for the differentials. And then we just have more pins and some drive wheels. So here we have bag 3, and the smaller one is just pins and odd pieces. Same with this one. And here we have some new of the curved round fat pieces that are 2x2. And then in here we have more pins and then some of the new actuators. And starting to get to the bigger pieces. And here we start to build the motor, which we have all the motor pieces, like the pistons in there. And we actually see some regular Lego in there. Here we have our Control Plus motor hub. So with batteries in here, you press a button and it'll sync to your smart device. Here we have 2 XL motors. That's what they look like. You can connect a pin to the front or back. And here we have 2 L motors. What it looks like. And the back is just with the wire. And they're mostly flat. Here we have some wheels and more pins, which these will probably start with the tracks. Here we have more hand gears and 1x5 Technic pieces. And these will also show you the tracks. Here we have more of the bigger gears that the tracks ride on, and more just 15 long pins, or 15 stud long pins. Here we have some of the drive cups and pins with just some of these triangle pieces. More blue studs. Here we have more random odd pieces with some gears mixed in. In the larger bag 5, we have some new, smaller flat pieces, along with more gears and straight pieces. And in this bag 5, we have the new clutch piece in there, along with more straight and black pieces with a few gears. Here we have bag 6 with more of the new, smaller plate pieces, along with more pins and surge pieces. And here we have just pins and oddball pieces, and then we have this long pin here, and some little red poppers or something. Here we have red circular pieces, I'm not sure what those are for, more long pins, and more smaller short stub pins. Here we have bag 7. In this one we have pins and some more odd looking pieces. Here we have some straight ones, and there's some track pieces in there. And there's 3 bags of bag 7 here, which have just tracks. So here we have bag 8, and this is the step that builds the blade. So we have a lot of flat pieces in this one with some pins. Well, they all kind of have flat pieces with pins, but some of them have more odd pieces, like this bag 8 and this bag 8. And this one just has the curvy ones.